I have been having a bad cold for the past few days, and whenever I feel like this, the first thing I crave is a warm bowl of pepper rasam. So today I thought, why not share it with you? The aroma of freshly crushed pepper and garlic instantly clears your senses. Let's start making this simple and healing pepper rasam. First, let's cook the dal. I'm using the Instapot for this. I took 1/4 cup of toor dal and washed it twice in water. Then I added 3 cups of water, a pinch of turmeric, and a little oil. Now I pressure cook it for 12 minutes. While the dal is cooking, we will prepare the rasam base. Soak a small lemon-sized piece of tamarind in water and set it aside. Next, peel about 5 cloves of garlic and keep them ready. And now comes the most important step for this rasam. In a mortar and pestle, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper. Crush them coarsely, not too fine. Then I will add the garlic cloves and crush them together with the spices. Finally, I am adding 4 green chilies and grinding everything into a rough paste. This freshly crushed mixture is what really gives the rasam its flavor and warmth. Keep this aside, we will add it soon. Next, I took 3 small to medium sized tomatoes, chopped them into medium pieces and keep them ready. By now, the dal is perfectly cooked and soft. Let's start making the rasam. In a saucepan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of oil. I love adding ghee, it gives such an amazing flavor and depth to the rasam. While the oil is heating, squeeze the soaked tamarind and extract the juice. Keep them ready. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add a full sprig of curry leaves, 2 split dried red chilies and pinch of hing. Now add the chopped tomatoes and cook on a medium flame until they become soft and slightly mushy, stirring occasionally. Once the tomato starts to soften, add a pinch of turmeric and mix well. Let them cook until they break down completely. Once the tomatoes are fully cooked, add the cooked dal. Rinse the dal bowl with a little water and add that too. We don't want to waste anything. Mix everything together. Now add our freshly crushed pepper, cumin, garlic and green chili paste. Stir well. Add about 2 cups of water and allow the mixture to come to a gentle boil. You can always adjust the consistency later depending on how thin or thick you like your rasam. This is when the pepper, garlic and cumin releases all their flavors into the rasam. Once it starts boiling, first add salt according to your taste and mix well. And then add a little tamarind extract and stir. Let it simmer gently for a few minutes. After tasting, I felt it needed a little more water and a bit more salt, so I adjusted it. Always taste and adjust. Finally, add freshly chopped cilantro. I like to use both the leaves and the tender stems. The stems are very flavorful and shouldn't be wasted. Now let's taste it and check everything is balanced. It is still hot, let me cool it slightly. The salt and spices are perfectly balanced. This is exactly how rasam should taste. Let the rasam simmer gently for another minute. The whole room smells amazing right now. Let's pour the rasam into a serving bowl. And now let's enjoy it the traditional way. Serve some hot rice on a plate. Drizzle a little ghee on top. It adds such a rich, beautiful taste. Now pour the hot rasam over the rice. Just look at that. Simple, warm and so comforting. Now let's taste. It's still nice and hot. The pepper, the garlic and the touch of ghee. Everything comes together so beautifully. So good. If you enjoy cooking with me today, please like this video and subscribe for more simple and comforting recipes. Thank you so much for watching.